Everybody cheer now for the Kitty Rescue Crew. Whenever you're in trouble, just hiss for an assist.
That kitty crew. Well, Adventure Bay can always use more help.
Not to worry, Chase. The Paw Patrol will always be first in the town's hearts.
They won't be after my kitties keep showing them up.
Thanks, Ryder. Somehow food scraps keep falling on my patio.
Ryder, there's a kitten on the roof throwing food scraps.
It couldn't possibly be a kitten. Oh!
I knew it! Mayor Humdinger, you set up all those phony rescues, didn't you?
Kittens, let's go. Ta-ta! Shoo! Shoo! I can't see! Oh, pesky seagulls.
Mayor Humdinger, are you okay?
Help me, kitties! I'm hissing for an assist!
I don't think they're available now. Sky, we need your rescue harness. I'm on it.
Thank you, Paw Patrol, for saving me and my kitty crew.
You're welcome, Mayor Humdinger. Whenever you're in trouble, just hiss for an assist. And if that doesn't work, just yelp for help.
Very funny, Paw Patrol.
The Fix-It 500.
So, what do you want to build today, Rusty? Giant robot? A giant spaceship?
How about both? A giant robot spaceship. I have arrived. You may cheer and clap now. For the greatest inventor in the world. Thank you. Hi, Frankie. What's up? Just came by to show you my latest amazing invention, the Fritz Car 5000. The fastest car in the world!
No way it's faster than Rusty's go-kart.
Oh, yes, it is. Way faster. In fact, Frankfurt and I would be willing to race Rusty and Ruby to see who has the fastest car.
You're on.
Wait, we need to make this interesting. If you win, you get to keep my Fritz car. But if I win, I get the Mobile Rivet Lab.
It's a deal.
But... Excellent. Race starts in Town Square after lunch. Frankie, hold on. See you there. Liam, you just told Frankie he can have the Mobile Rivet Lab if he wins the race.
Yeah, but you can totally beat him, right?
Sure we can. I hope.
I, Race Judge Sammy Scoops, welcome you to the Fix-It 500! This race has 3 parts. A curvy road, a bumpy road, and a straight road. Before each part, there's a pit stop where you fix up your car to help with the crazy roads ahead.
The Bits and I will help you do that. It's the least I can do.
But you can't do anything to anyone else's car or the road. You can only fix up your own car.
I don't need to touch Rusty's car when I have the greatest vehicle in the world.
Get ready to race to your first pit stop. On your marks, get set, go!
See you at the finish line.
Go!
We have to hurry. We don't want to lose the Mobile Rivet Lab.
And there's the pit stop.
Let's get to work, my little stinker.
We need to fix our car up for stage 1, the curvy road around Planter's Peak.
I've got it. We'll add suction cups to our tires to keep us on the road.
The Bits and I are on it.
Oh, a grappling hook. Perfect. It will swing us around the corners super fast. Hurry, hurry, hurry. activate. Don't worry, Frankfurt. We're about to zoom way ahead of them. They're on our tail! But I have some soap to clean up this mess. Hang on, Ruby!
Rusty, look out!
Whew, Frankie's cheating by making the road slippery with soap. And now he's getting away.
There's no soap up there.
Great thinking, Ruby!
We saw you drive on the side of a cliff. That was awesome.
Thanks. Now we need a way to get through the bumpy road. And quick.
I know what to do. Let's take the Mobile Rivet Lab's giant spare tires and use them on our car. Great idea! Tire changing formation bits on the double.
Pillows and bungee cords. Another brilliant idea from Frankie Fritz. See, Frankfurt, these pillows are perfect.
These giant tires are working great. We're gonna pass Frankie.
Don't worry. Soap may not have stopped them. But this will.
Look out!
Frankie, how are we going to get past those rocks?
If we don't find a way past these boulders, Frankie will get our Mobile Rivet Lab.
Maybe we can drive over them with our giant tires.
Wow, these giant tires are bouncy.
That's it! We can bounce over the boulders. Let's bounce. This is so fun!
Woohoo! We made it! Guys! We've got to hurry. Frankfurt just added a big battery to Frankie's car to make it go faster. And now Frankie is going to get way ahead.
He's ahead because he keeps breaking the rules.
We need to go super fast to beat him now. Like, as fast as a rocket.
I have rockets. We can put them on our car. Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with the go-kart and turn it into a real race car.
My sidecar is slowing us down, so we'll lose that and add another seat inside.
Then we'll add rockets so we can blast right past Frankie and win the race. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modify.
Customized.
Rustify. The Rocket Car 9000.
Awesome! Let's win this race and save the Mobile Rivet Lab.
Time to bolt.
You can do it!
What? Not again! Ah! race car, but good thing I have one last trick in my hood. A glue cannon! They're in for a sticky situation. Uh-oh. Frankfurt, fix it!
Look out, Blue!
I've got this. Don't worry, Frankfurt. We'll still beat them to the finish line. Oh no! The steering wheel is stuck. And the brakes too!
Yes! We're winning!
Ow! I can't stop or turn!
Oh no! Frankie's going to crash!
I'm on it. Don't worry, Frankie. We'll get you around that corner. One little bump should do it.
Rusty, stop!
I can't.
And the racers are in the final stretch. They're almost at the finish line.
We might still win!
That's Rusty and Ruby's car! Yes, we won!
Rusty, Ruby, you win the Fix-It 500.
You get to keep the mobile rivet lab! And Frankie's car, too!
Taking Frankie's car wouldn't be right. You can keep it, Frankie.
Even though you cheated.
What's a little glue and soap and boulders among friends? Okay, fine. It was wrong. Thanks for saving me. Let's go quick before they change their mind about the Fritz car.
Today's mega mission goes to Rescue Red! Yes, sir, Master! You'll deliver the Great Golden Stagecoach from Dusty Gulch to the Central Square Bank. And I'll ride along with you, Sarah.
Now you're ready to make tracks! What do you say we deliver the Great Golden Stagecoach so everybody knows I'm the greatest?
Here's the Great Golden Stagecoach. It should be right here.
Woohoo!
Why does Andy have the Great Golden Stagecoach? That's the old Dusty Ghost gold mine. It's been shut down for years and the tracks are unsafe. I've got to save her. That's what Sherry do. I got you, Mandy. Mega Hose, activate.
No one will think I'm great unless I deliver something amazing, like gold.
Delivering gold doesn't make you great. Doing the right thing makes you great. So, wanna help us save that stagecoach?
I'd love to share, Fred.
I'll get this gold to the bank. It's mighty overdue.
Welcome to Adventure Bay, Oscar. Well, I must be off. Bye, everyone.
We've got an ostrich to take care of. Are you thirsty? Water cannons! Huh?
Well, he sure did seem more relaxed when he was pecking at the car, trying to get to Chickaletta.
Or maybe he was just trying to get to his stuffy.
Aw, do you think he just misses his buddy?
Let's find out. Hi, Oscar. Follow me. Are you okay, Marshall? Yeah, I'm good. But that was such a jiggly ride. I think some of my spots slipped off.
Oh, look! The ponies are welcoming Oscar to the family!
Our baby is home at last. Thank you, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever you have a problem, just for help.
Ice Rusty.
Welcome to After School Inventors Club, where kids come to invent stuff.
Yay!
Today it's Rusty, Ruby, and Frankie's turn to present their art-ventions, which is a word I just art-vented. Anywho, Rusty, Ruby, are you ready?
Sure are, Mr. Higgins.
Fellow inventors, Ruby and I are proud to present the PaintBot 100.
Wow!
Whatever Ruby draws on her tablet, PaintBot will paint on this canvas. Let's show him, Ruby.
What should we paint? Me! One Liam likeness coming up.
And voila!
Wow! It's like looking in a mirror. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
It's okay. Wait till you see mine.
Great work!
You think that's great? I, Frankie Fritz, the greatest inventor in the world! Have turned Frankfurt into an ice art machine that will make a perfect ice sculpture from any subject. And I choose Liam. You're perfect.
Thanks. I get that a lot.
Prepare to be immortalized.
Sure.
Whoa, that's pretty neat, Frankie. Try Franktastically incredible.
Is that what I look like?
Uh-huh. Wait a minute. Just a little hiccup.
My painting! Other Liam, are you all right in there?
I didn't. That wasn't supposed to. Don't worry. We'll find a way to de-ice your painting.
We'll melt it. Let's get some bits on the fix. Brody, Ray, we need your help. Thanks, buddy. Welcome, Super Shine Ray.
We need you to melt the ice off of the Liam painting.
Okay, Ray, time to melt. Don't worry, awesome Liam painting. Rusty, Ruby, and Ray will save you. Oh, yeah.
Amazing de-icification, Ray. Thanks. Big deal. So they melted a little ice. Let's go show them how real art is made.
Don't worry, kids. There'll be enough time for each of you to get your paintings done.
Rusty and Ruby are stealing our spotlight. right. How about a freezing frenzy that not even their little lamp could melt? Whoopsie!
Watch out! Whoa, cloudy with a chance of ice. Got him!
Whoa! The whole auditorium's been icified.
I've got you, Liam Painting. I'm okay.
I guess my genius ice art worked too well.
Kids, remain in place until I figure out what to do. Rusty, what do we do?
We need to find a way to defrost the auditorium.
But how? It's way too big for Ray to handle.
We need something to break up the ice. Something that can move quickly and chop it all up. I've got it! My robo spider legs! And we can add ice skates for ultimate skateability.
Good idea. And we can get it all from the recycle yard.
Thanks, Bits. Never fear, Spider Skater's here. Let's get cracking. We'll have this ice cleaned up in no time.
Nice job crushing the ice, Rusty.
Thanks.
Extra Inventors Club credit for 2 artventions in one day.
Come on, Frankfurt. Let's scram before we get in trouble. What? That's not good. Frankie!
Not again.
I can fix this. Frankfurt is out of control! Everyone, follow me. We're getting out of here. Wait for me. Frankfurt, what are you doing?
Right this way. I'm gonna get you someplace safe and warm.
Over here!
Whew, that was close.
Wait, where's Frankie? Frankfurt, stop! Whoa, iced in! Don't worry, Frankie, we'll get you out. Whoa! How are we going to get through all that ice to get Frankie out?
It's too much to melt or to pick through.
We need to crush the ice. Or chomp it. What we need is a shark sub.
A land shark sub.
Let's combine it
And design it.
We'll start with the shark sub.
Then we'll add treads so it can ride on land.
Last but not least, titanium mega jaws so we can chomp through all that ice. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Let's go mobile! Modify.
Customize.
Justify. The Shark-a-Chomper 3000. Hang on, Frankie. We're coming in. No hurry. Please hurry. Ready, Ruby?
Do it.
Let's get chomping.
ahead. Zig left. Zag right.
Zigging and zagging.
Perfect. Stop!
What's the matter?
School bus. We need to go around it.
Okay.
We're getting super close. Keep jumping, Sharka Chomper.
We made it! Let's go get him! Frankie, stand back! Yes! You did it! Thank you, thank you, thank you! I mean, it's about time.
Guys, look!
Okay, school's out, and so are we.
We better hurry before the tunnel shuts completely.
Hold on tight. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Phew! Don't tell anyone I said this, but thanks for getting me out of there. Frankfurt!
Looks like it's Rusty and Ruby to the rescue. And once the school melts over the weekend, Inventors Club should be back in session by Monday.
Cool.
Looks like Frankie was able to fix Frankfurt.
Don't be sad, my little Frankfurt. We're still the best. Hey, Frankie! I've got something to cheer you guys up. Whoa, cool! It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Robot on the run.
Today's mega mission goes to Flicker! You'll pick up the new shipment of Zubot robot toys from Mail Station and deliver them to the toy store in Central Square.
Yay! Welcome aboard, Diesel.
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Hi, Jerry. I'm here for the toy robot. I think there was a bit of a mail mix-up. Look! Whoa! Thanks, Our delivery is stopping up! It's headed right for us!
Mighty Express and all available trains at Mission Station. We can do this! Mighty Express!
Done and delivered! Zumba toys! Zumba zoom
The golden relic is gone! Everyone, fan out and look for it! Ryder, Carlos, over here! I found some paw prints. I've never seen anything like them. Whoa! It has really big paws. The relic is missing and some strange big pawed animal was here. Big Paw must have taken it. We don't know what the creature is, but we do know that a relic that old should be in a museum, and we have to bring it back.
Ryder, I just saw something gold and shiny moving through the trees.
That sound! It's man!
get it with your claw? Claw! Everybody, look at these markings on the golden relic. They look just like those mysterious paw prints.
So there was no big paw making the tracks? The relic did it? With the monkey's help.
Thanks for bringing the pillar back safely, Ryder.
No problem. Whenever you're in trouble, just ooka for help. Rusty versus the Robo Squirrel. Bites! Leave the squirrel alone.
Hey, you kids!
Sorry about that, Mr. Higgins.
We can't get Bites to stop chasing squirrels.
Well, I guess robot dogs will be robot dogs. I brought those nuts and bolts you wanted.
Thanks, Mr. Higgins. We can never have too many nuts and bolts to hold our stuff together. Bites! I wish there was a way to get him to leave that squirrel alone. Oh! What about something that wouldn't mind being chased? I know just the thing. The Robo Squirrel 800. Perfect for Bites to chase all he wants.
He is a speedy little fella.
Yeah, too speedy for Bites.
Well, thanks again for the nuts and... Whoa!
Where did all the nuts and bolts go? You don't think Robo Squirrel...
Oh, looks like he's doing what squirrels do, collecting nuts.
Only instead of the tree nuts that real squirrels collect.
He's collecting the metal variety, the kind that hold things together. We'd better shut him down. We've got a Robo Squirrel to catch. Time to bolt.
I'll come too. Oh, nuts.
Which way did he go? Never mind.
Sorry about that.
We're going to have to fix a lot of stuff when this is done.
Oh, no, you don't.
He did.
My ice cream cart! Oh!
Sorry, Sammy.
There he is. Shh. Gotcha!
Look out!
Runaway gear! Got it! What? Robo Squirrel got away.
For now, maybe.
Wait, I know how to catch him. We just have to give him what he wants. That should do it. Robo Squirrel won't be able to resist a trail of nuts and bolts.
When he gets here, he'll hit the trigger, lowering the cage, and voila! We got him! Here he comes! Hide!
Gotcha!
Yes!
should have seen that coming.
Yup.
What now? We need to stop him and get those nuts and bolts back.
Well, squirrels like to hide the nuts they collect. So if we find his hiding place, we can catch him and get the nuts and bolts back. But how do we find it?
I know just how. Here, Robo-Squirrel!
Look! He's definitely here. Somewhere. Thanks, Bites. We know he's here.
I can hear Robo-Squirrel. I just can't see him.
There he is! And he's got a ton of nuts and bolts up there.
So how do we get way up there to get them? And him?
What we need is something that can climb trees. Bottarilla!
Ooh, I like it.
Bottarilla, we need you. We need you to get us up there so we can get Robo-Squirrel and all the nuts and bolts he took. Oh, no, you don't, Robo-Squirrel. There's nowhere to go now. I did not see that coming. Okay, Bottarilla, follow that Robo-Squirrel.
Up there! He's getting away!
Don't worry, we'll get him. Where would I go if I were a hungry Robo-Squirrel? Oh, probably to the thing with the most nuts and bolts holding it together. Yep, the bridge. Robo-Squirrel is already taking the bridge apart. And there's a train coming.
We need to get there, now!
Let's bounce, Bottarilla.
It's going to collapse!
Unless we stop him and fix it before the train arrives.
But how? Robo-Squirrel can take out bolts way faster than we can put them back in.
And the bridge is huge. I know you want to help, but you don't have the right tools to fix it.
What if he did have the right tools?
Let's combine it
And design it!
We'll start with Bottarilla, because he can climb the bridge.
Then we'll add a hard hat to keep us all safe from falling bridge parts.
And last but not least, a riveting drill arm to put the bridge back together with super strong Rusty Rivets, rivets. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Time to go mobile. Modify,
Customize,
rustify. Drilla Gorilla. Train's almost here. We have to fix the bridge before the whole thing collapses. Going down.
let's get riveting.
We have to move faster.
The tracks have fallen. It won't hold the train.
Not on my Squirrel. We're out of time. Power lift and hold, Gorilla. We did it!
Robo Squirrel's in trouble.
Let's go, Gorilla.
You saved him.
I knew you would. No problem.
You're welcome.
There, last nut and bolt.
I thought we'd never get everything put back together.
I'm just glad we found a better way for Robo Squirrel to get his fill of nuts and bolts.
Yes, the back of my store was starting to pile up with his old junk.
Now you can recycle it, and we can keep all the extra nuts and bolts.
Plus, it's a much better way to keep Bites entertained.
Quack Express! Today's mega mission goes to... Farmer Faye! Yeah! You'll pick up a giant rubber ducky at Mail Station and deliver it to Beach Station to surprise Tiny.
All right along. I'm a bit of a quack all of this.
Now you're ready to... make tracks! Ready to haul, y'all! Time to roast the ducky! First class delivery! Thank goodness! I could really use a people mover push right about now. No problem, Faye. Ready, set, Next stop, Beach Station. Done and delivered.
Faking a broken big toe was my best idea ever. Just call me Mayor Humdinger. Oh, what button do I press? That one.
Miss Marjorie DeRider. Don't worry, Miss Marjorie. We'll save Maynard. Chase, get ahead on the trail and stop the hum mover with your net. Net.
Oh no! Please don't spray.
The net was a no-go. The mayor and the skunk are headed for the river.
Pops, meet us at the river. We've got some animals to rescue. Set up a barricade in front of the riverbank.
Skunk! Take the skunk!
Maynard, come on over.
What's this button do?
Nice catch. Great save, Zuma. Nice driving, Maynard.
Oh, at last! Back on solid ground. Oh, happy dance, happy dance.
Well, that was a speedy recovery.
Ow.
Ryder, Pups, thanks so much for rescuing Maynard.
and for saving Mayor Humdinger.
Thank you, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever you have a hum mover problem, just yelp for help.
Rusty's Day of the Drones.
The tire pressure looks good. Now I'll use the mega battery to give our cars a charge.
Gotta love the mega battery. It gives us the power we need to charge our cars and run the whole Rivet Lab. Now I just need to tighten a few more bolts. Huh? Did you see the wrench I was just using?
Nope. I'll go check in the lab. Do you see my tablet anywhere? I just had it.
Nope.
Hey, look, a drone. I wonder who it belongs to.
I don't know. Strange. I guess it went home. Okay, now let's look for my wrench and your tablet. Help us look, guys. I found lots of stuff, but not my wrench.
Hey, Rusty, come quick. Now the charging cables are missing. They were just plugged in.
Something funny is going on.
Now there's more drones, and they're taking things too.
Hey, drop it! Ruby, I think I know where my wrench and your tablet went.
Oh, I have an idea. Whirly, you can get our stuff back with your grappling hook. Try, Whirly, but there's only one of you and lots of them.
Oh, I've got it. We can go after them with our jetpacks and get our stuff back. And we'll get a hand from some robo-arms.
Let's jet. Freeze, drones!
Gotcha!
Oh, no, you don't!
Our tools! We have to catch them!
Whew, it's good to have you back.
The drones escaped! My plan is coming together perfectly, Frankfurt. Because I am the greatest inventor in the world! Yes! Ah! Rusty and Ruby are coming! Time to hide! Hide in the backyard!
Hey, Frankie. Have you seen some drones?
They took a bunch of our stuff. Oh, really? Weird. Have you checked over there? No, we'll take a look. Thanks. Fooled them. With those two gone, it's time for part 2 of my perfect plan. My Mega Drone! Soon the whole Rivet Lab will be mine!
I don't see the drones anywhere.
Neither do I. Let's head back to the recycling yard. get it back, or we won't have any power to build things or charge our cars. Okay, Whirly, but there's still only one of you and lots of them.
Wait, there might only be one little Whirly now, but we can modify her.
To be a Mega Whirly. And we'll make you extra good at grabbing, too. Those drones won't have a chance.
But we've got to do it quick, while the lab still has a little power left.
Let's combine it
And design it.
We'll start by replacing Whirly's propeller with a much bigger one. That'll make her faster and stronger, too.
Then we'll add robo arms to give Whirly some drone-grabbing power.
And last but not least, a seat for me to ride in, so I can control the robo arms. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified.
Customized.
Rustified. The Mega Drone Grabber 9000.
And just in time, the lab is out of power.
Don't worry, we'll get our battery back.
Go get him. I'll track the drones from the ground. Looks like they're headed to Frankie's house.
Yes! Here comes the Mega Battery for my Mega Drone. The Mobile Rivet Lab is almost ours! And the best part is, there's nothing Rusty Rivets can do to stop me. Because I'm the greatest inventor in the world! Huh? Whoa! Frankie Fritz? So you're behind this. Don't you know you shouldn't take things that aren't yours?
Uh-huh.
Drones, stop them! These drones don't stand a chance against the Mega Drone Grabber 9000. Ah! Got it! I'm taking this back to where it belongs. My Mega Battery! Don't you mean my Mega Battery? Oh, yes! My Mega Drone needs all the power it can get to pick up your Mobile Rivet Lab. We have to stop it. Come on, Ruby. Come to Frankie.
He got the Mobile Rivet Lab.
Not yet. Huh? Kick it into overdrive, Whirly. Oh, Frankfurt, let's get out of here. Ah! Nice work, Whirly.
Did it!
You're grounded, Frankie. This is not how I wanted this day to end. Come on, Frankfurt. Help me push the greatest invention in the world home.
Back where you belong.
Ready, Ruby? Yep. Yes! The lab works again.
Now that the Mega Battery is back, what should we Mega Charge first?
Why not?
We might have given them a little too much power. A mighty windmill. Today's Mega Mission goes to Freight Nate. Plug me up and I'm ready to roll. You'll pick up a new, extra powerful windmill from Building Yard Station and deliver it to Farm Station for the sleepover.
And I'll go with you.
Now you're ready to make tracks. Wow, that's one big windmill.